Girl, why you gotta be so heartless? Yeah, I look more orange. I look glowing. Hi. We're just more warm tone on iPhone and more cool tone, like more realistic. Maybe this is more realistic because in my mirror, I look yellow. Yeah. Yeah, one's cool tone and one is... orange. I look... Yeah, one's more cool tone and this one's a lot, but this one's better. I'm more warm, huh? The other one looks more grainy. It's because this one smooths you out. This one's you're more smoothed out. The other one, you're like, you can see everything. A lot clearer. Oh yeah,
the other one, you're like, you can see everything.
Yeah, the other one shows my wrinkles and shit. This one makes me more smooth. I can have a filter. This is better than the Android. Oh, that sucks.
The other one, you're like...
Maybe I'll have a live stream phone, which will be my iPhone, and then this phone for just, I don't know, being fun. I'm more smoothed out. It's more blurred. Damn, that sucks. And I think the TikToks are... I think the... So I guess I'll probably be using my iPhone like for live and then have my other phone like to have it to control everything. Do you know what I mean?
China is so big. If you really want to make a...
Yeah, because if you look at my TikTok that I did this morning, it was on Android. And it's more cool tone. And then this one that I made in T-Mobile, I'm more warm tone. That's weird, huh? Well, good thing is I still have my iPhone. Like, I didn't have to use it as a trade. Because it's paid off. So they had the deal of, I don't know, without a trade. So I got to keep it. So I was like, perfect. So I could just have a free phone and then have a work phone. You know what I mean? Just play with your settings. Yeah, I'm going to try to look up shit because there's got to be a way to change the settings, I would think, to be not be so cool toned. So do y'all notice that on Sammy's too, on her stuff? Yeah, there's a big difference. I swear they do too. Hers is clear. Let me go look at hers. Yeah, because this one, I'm really warm tone. And then look at the video this morning that I did on the Android. Okay, this is the Android. And then this is the iPhone at T-Mobile. Because I'm logged in on both, so she was working on the Android, so I was waiting for her and I was making that. That's the Android, and then this one's Android too. This one's iPhone. No, I don't have no filters on. No, there used to be where you could put filters on live streams on my iPhone on here. Not even on this one, not even on the Android. They don't have where you can do filters or change the settings or anything on live streams on Facebook no more. There's no filters. Sometimes I see my sister wearing a filter though, and I'm like, how the fuck are you doing that? Because mine has no option. iPhone quality, it just makes me look not so washed out, huh? Like I look smoother face, I don't look as old, and I look warm, I look tan. It's okay. I can just really see the difference between those two videos, even just from afar. These two. It's crazy. Sammy don't use filters because how? It doesn't give you the option. Mine doesn't. Anybody else? It gives you the option on Facebook to use a filter. Let me see. What's Sammy's thing? Sammy. Oh, wait. Not that one. Not her old one. Sammy's sweetheart. Not that one. Where's Sammy's shit at? Is this her new page? Wait, I thought she's back to using her old one, right? What's Sammy's? Why ain't it popping up? Not that one. Or is it now Life with Sammy? Is it Life with Sammy now? No. Where the fuck? Oh, it's right here. Found it. Never mind, I found it. Dang, she's almost to 10K. I'm trying to figure out the freaking quality. Oh yeah, hers does look more cool tone too. But Jess uses Android, right? Oh, hers is more grainy too. Yeah, it's just not as clear, huh? Dude. Oh well, at least I still have an iPhone for like content if I like it better. But to use on a daily like and stuff, I have this, which is it's really cool. It has a bunch of cool features. Just from afar. Oh well, at least I still have an iPhone for like content if I like it better. But oh yeah, I noticed the difference of this one compared to that one. I look older. That's how I really look. Look at my face. Go to your camera. I'm sure that's like on the camera. Somebody's calling me. Who's that? I don't know who you are, so I ain't answering that shit. I don't know who that is. Remind you of Gigi, do I? Sorry. So far, live stream wise, probably the Android, like when it comes to videos. But the camera's better on this though. But I guess when it comes to the apps, it's like too strong for it. I don't know. It's weird. But because the camera's really good over here. I don't know. But like using wise, features and all kinds of shit, Android. It's so cool. Sorry, I had a... I just wanted to see what the quality looked like, guys. The S25. They had a promotion going on. But I'm gonna get off here. I got to make a video or go live. What do you guys think I should do? Video or go live on doing eyelashes? Should I do a live stream or should I record? Should I do both? The Android is... I haven't learned it yet. So right now it's hard. Because I haven't learned it. But I'm sure once I learn it, it'll be easy. But I haven't really got to play with it. But I'm going to get off of here and charge my phones and then go live or record, or I might do both at the same time doing eyelashes. So yeah, and then I have to also do... Oh, we need to go get a twisted tea. I gotta do that beer pong video. Fuck, we gotta chug a twisted tea. I'm just gonna go buy one tall can because it's a double chug. So pour some and pour some. Because I have to promote it. I only have 2 days left, so I need to promote that. Fuck. It's Friday. And then we'll do lashes. Buzzing. Should we fuck it? Yours are in the mail. Go get them, Amber, and you can put them on with me at the same time. Yeah, we can put them on. I'll go live on TikTok, but I gotta charge the phones first, so I'm gonna go get one, and then I have to film the beer pong thing.